Hi guys, so today we're going to make some Thai basil chicken. Now for your ingredients you're going to need some sliced shallots, Thai red chilies, minced garlic. You're also going to need some Thai basil, which smells amazing. Some ground chicken. Now I didn't have any ground chicken, so I just minced up some chicken breast. You're also going to need some fish sauce, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, chicken broth, and honey or brown sugar for sweetness. Now to start off, you want to heat up your wok or your skillet to a high heat. You're going to add a little bit of oil, and then we're going to start by sauteing our sliced shallots. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our chilies. Now these are super hot, you guys. I like spicy, but I don't like feel it next day spicy, if you know what I mean. No, be very careful with the amount you add. So now after we got that nice and warmed up, we're going to go ahead and add in our minced garlic. We're going to let everything get nice and toasty. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning. I added some black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. That was it. So now I'm adding in my brown sugar, my soy sauce, and my fish sauce. I know I said I was going to use honey, but I decided to use brown sugar instead. Now after that cooks, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of the chicken broth so it can deglaze the pan, get all that flavor. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our hoisin sauce and our basil. And that's it. This is actually a pretty fast meal, and it's very flavorful. It's salty, it's sweet. That basil gives it a nice, fresh, yummy taste, you guys. It's very, very good. I'm going to top it on some white rice and a chili. Girl, I didn't eat that. I just made that, I just wanted to make it look pretty. Yum.